Kלים Perek Zayin Mishnah Vov. This is the last Mishnah of the Perek. I'm now going to finish off, carrying on from the last Mishnah, where we spoke about the kira not standing on the ground. The kira was actually standing on 3 legs. And we said that where the legs are more than 3 etzbois higher, or they protrude, they stick out more than 3 etzbois width away from the kira, then the area which is enclosed by the part of the legs, the pitputim, which are within 3 etzbois, are considered to be part of the kira. But that part of the between the leg space, which is enclosed and bordered by the legs, which are more than 3 etzbois away from the kira, are not considered to be part of the kira. That was Mishnah Hay. Now the Mishnah is asking, Keted Mesharin Oison. In other words, it seems what the Mishnah is asking is that we have our legs. A leg, here's the kira, and we have one leg coming out. So we measure our 3 etzbois, both horizontally and vertically, away from the kira, and we come to a spot on the leg and we say, right, this is called 3 etzbois, and the rest isn't. And then we do the same with the other leg, and the same with the other leg. Now, how do we determine the area enclosed horizontally by these 3 points of those legs? Says the Mishnah, Rabban Shimon ben Gamliel, Noisin es hakano benen. A kano is a ruler. You take a pen and you make a dot on the part of the leg which is the border between 3 etzbois away from the kira and that part of the leg which is more than 3 etzbois away from the kira. So you have a dot on each leg. You then take a ruler and you put the ruler between the dot on leg A to the dot on leg B, then you do it again from leg B to leg C, and then again from leg C to leg A, forming a triangle underneath the kira. Noisin es hakano benen, you put this ruler between them. Min hakano l'chutz toir, anything found outside the ruler, that line, is not considered to be part of the kira. If the kira is Tomei, and a kli, oichel or mashkin, find itself outside that ruler line, then that oichel and mashke is not considered to have been inside the kira. And similarly, if a sheretz is found to be outside that line, it's not matame the kira. Now you have to understand this, when you're dealing with a circular base, and we're dealing with a triangle which fits underneath the circular base, some of that triangle will actually be outside the kira, away from the kira, because the triangle sticks out further, and sometimes the line of the triangle will actually go underneath the base. So you may actually have a sheret directly underneath the kira, but because it falls outside the line of the triangle, is considered to be chutz l'kira. Says the Mishnah, Min hakano l'chutz tar, anything outside the ruler is tar. Min hakano l'ifnim, u'mekayim hakano, but anything from the ruler inwards, and the thickness of the ruler itself, because the ruler is not outside the legs, the ruler is placed between the legs. Tomei, that's considered to be part of the kira. This is all within 3 etzbois to the kira. If, of course, you're outside the 3 etzbois, then you have the machlokes before in Mishnah Hay between Rabbi Shimon and Rabbi Meir. Rabbi Shimon is matayr completely. Rabbi Meir says it's only a chibur d'Rabbanon, and that brings us to the end of Perek Zayin, and we look forward to starting Perek Ches Hashem.